New at 5, while recreational weed is now legal in Arizona, driving with it in your system is against the law. Max Gordon shows us how police are cracking down on marijuana DUIs and what you need to know to stay above the law.
A traffic stop for a marijuana-related DUI will usually begin like an alcohol-related one, but a breathalyzer for marijuana isn't commonly available for law enforcement, so they have to find a different way to detect the drugs in your system, and that's where the differences begin. Often a drug recognition expert gets called out, and if it's determined the driver's impaired, marijuana DUI investigations in Arizona require a blood test.
If you just have marijuana in your system, that's all it takes.
But taking blood is a specialized skill. And the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office says it's still waiting to see if more deputies will need to be trained with the legalization of recreational weed.
So new out of the chute, we don't know if we're going to need an increase in phlebotomists.
The Governor's Office of Highway Safety says there are no specific statewide stats regarding marijuana-related DUIs in Arizona, but at least one lawyer here says he's seen an increase in cases ever since medical marijuana came to Arizona.
In the last 5 to 10 years, certainly, is an uptick in clients who are calling me who've been injured in accidents with people have used marijuana.
There's simple advice for avoiding a DUI.
If you've used marijuana, don't get behind the wheel.
But there's still a lot that isn't known.
Because of the federal laws with regards to marijuana, there hasn't been a lot of research with regards to marijuana impairment in driving.
Still, with some using it for the first time, one lawyer offers this rule of thumb.
Don't drive within 12 hours of consuming marijuana.
Enforcement methods for marijuana-related DUI might be different than alcohol-related DUI, but the penalties are the same. If found guilty, you could be facing jail time, fines and fees, and the suspension of your license. Max Gordon, Arizona's Family.